This Chater?
Hey, Chater.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Chater. Good afternoon. My name is Suvra. Chater, would you hate me if I said this was a cold call?
Well, no, I wouldn't hate you, but this is the mortgage business, and today's like the first day back in the office since
Yeah.
the 23rd, and I do a pretty high volume, so I'm pretty busy. If you want to email me, that would be the best thing right now. Is I've got three people in my office right now doing a construction to perm contract.
Okay. Okay. Oh, would it be a bad idea for me to quickly give you a brief in 20 seconds? That way we can see if it's even relevant to send an email.
Sure.
Perfect. Perfect. I'll make it quick then. So, Chater, usually when I speak with mortgage professionals, ideally the ones who are doing good enough, but they're still looking for more growth, they tell me that the biggest bottleneck is if they could ideally get more realtor partners to send them business consistently, that would be great. It's not that they can't do it themselves, more like not enough time and focus. That's where we come in. Do you feel like that's a completely irrelevant conversation for 2026?
Somewhat is for me. I've been
It is?
doing this for 26 years, and I do a very high volume. So you want to send it. I manage a group of people. I might have somebody that is interested. So shoot me an email. I'm the branch manager. So
Perfect. Can you share your email with me?
It is cp.com.
Perfect. So what I'll do is, my name is Suvra, by the way. The company is Mortgages QV. My USP is I'm from India. So next time I will send you an email with the subject like the Indian guy who cold called you on the first day of the work week.
Okay. Cool. Well, I appreciate your time, and go ahead and shoot that over to me. I'll take a look at it.
Perfect.